Hey, when we feel pain in our joints, haven't we rushed to a nearby clinic or lab to check our blood uric acid levels? Hey there, I'm Dr. Shinu Shamalan, and today we are going to talk about increased uric acid levels or a condition known as gout. What is gout or what is uric acid? How is it formed in our body? When we eat certain food items which are rich in purines, the metabolism of such food items will create a byproduct or waste product which is called uric acid in our body. Usually it is eliminated by our kidneys. But sometimes when we eat more such food items, or sometimes our kidneys won't eliminate much of the uric acid produced. Both these conditions may cause our serum blood uric acid levels to increase. And these increased uric acid levels in our body can cause kidney stones in our kidneys, or these uric acids will form crystals and it may deposit in our joints and it may become a condition called gout. Not all kidney stones are of uric acid, but increased uric acid can also cause kidney stones. Now we will talk about the symptoms of gout. Pain in joints, swelling of joints, decreased mobility of our joints, more joint pain at night. These may all be the symptoms of gout. And talking about the joint which is affected more, the joint just behind our big toe, that is usually more affected. But other than that, our ankles, elbow, knee can also be affected. But let me tell you, not all joint pains are gout. There are other forms of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, etc. So not all joint pains are gout. You will definitely need certain blood tests, imaging studies like X-ray, or your doctor will certainly perform clinical examinations, and based on all these facts, the doctor will tell a diagnosis. What all tests can we do? There are, as I said, there are certain blood tests, and if needed, doctor will ask you to do some imaging studies to confirm whether whether or not you have gout. And coming to the important part, what not to eat. Many people ask this question, doctor, what not to eat if you have increased uric acid levels? Organ parts or organ meat like liver, kidney, brain, guts, uh, that may cause your more uric acid levels. The other food to avoid is red meat like mutton, beef. Then to avoid is alcohol, beer, then soda or carbonated drinks, refined sugar products like bakery. These all you have to avoid to reduce your uric acid levels. Then you may ask what to eat, doctor. Yeah, you can eat vegetables, rice, more fruits, drink more water, oats, brown rice. Then some ask, can I eat egg? Of course, eggs you can eat. Then tea, coffee is okay. Talking about the treatment of gout, first you will have to change your lifestyle, eating habits. Like I mentioned earlier, you must avoid the trigger foods which can increase your uric acid level or can cause an attack of gout. So avoid such food items, avoid such food habits, do exercises. If you're overweight, reduce it, drink more water. And after all taking these measures, and not only after all taking these measures, and if you are having a attack of gout, your doctor will definitely give you medications such as painkillers, and or there are gout medicines. But I'm not going to into the details of medicines because you should never take it as per your decision. Of course, you must consult a doctor and you must take the medicines only with the prescription of your doctor. Some studies say vitamin C help to reduce the uric acid levels. Another question some of you ask is, doctor, do I need to take lifelong medicines? No. When your serum uric acid levels decrease or when your symptoms subside, your doctor will reduce your dosage or he may ask you to stop your medications. Hope you all like my video on uric acid. Kindly like, subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for your comments, and please share this info with your friends or family members who suffer from uric acid or the gout. This will definitely help them, and thank you.